Today, I'm going to make Chinese vegetable buns. Soak the shiitake mushroom in warm water for 4 hours and soak the black ear mushroom in room temperature water for 3 hours. No need to soak them in water if it's fresh. Then squeeze out the water and dice them. Sauté the ginger on medium heat until it's golden. Then remove it and sauté the shiitake mushroom. Make sure to add the black ear mushroom a little bit later and turn off the heat as soon as it starts to pop. Making sure to add the yeast water into the flour gradually. This will allow more even absorption. I'm using the brown sugar here, so the water color is a little bit darker. Once the water is mixed in, knead until it's smooth. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes, and you can use a machine if you have one. Here you will use one hand to roll the rolling pin and then use the other hand to turn the wrap. In order to hold more filling, you will need to cup the wrap in your hand like I do. Wrapping will take some practice. It will require the coordination of your two hands. Basically, you have one hand to push and pull, and the other hand to guard the filling and release at the same time.